not taken, what would have happened? But they just got attracted. He got attracted towards Satyavati at that age. He have done something he's not supposed to do. That was encouraged, which he is not supposed to be encouraged by Bhishma. So in that way, a single wrong step had led to this far. In this way, when we read further things, in the same way, I'll be asking you to develop a case study. When you think in a view of developing a case study, definitely you see many characters around you, including your boss, your colleagues, or your spouse, your kids. Then you'll start analyzing cases. So we have long enough time to do that.
Okay, awesome. I can't wait to get started. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
You mentioned there are 18 chapters in Bhagavad Gita, and from 6th chapter onwards, is something that you're going to start. Does that mean we're going to leave the first 5 chapters and start with the 6th chapter? How does that work?
No. I did not talk anything about 6th chapter. I said about we have total 18 chapters.
Right.
I said every chapter is in a sequence. Most probably in level 1, we will be covering overallly 3 chapters.
Actually, you have told that in the 6th Bhishma Varsha, this Bhagavad Gita was...
In Mahabharat, 18 chapters were there. In Mahabharat, 18 chapters mein se, Bhishma Parva mein se, you got this Bhagavad Gita.
Yeah.
So again in Bhagavad Gita, you have 18 chapters. So we are going through the course of Bhagavad Gita. So that is not 6 chapters from Bhagavad Gita, it is from Mahabharat. Yeah, someone asked my question, Ashwini ji, is it a dharma of Pandavas to kill their guru and grandfather in the battlefield only because they are fighting against them? They are on the adharma side. So they are supposed to do that. Because initial of this battlefield also Krishna went to make a compromise between Pandavas and Kauravas, but it did not work out. So directly they did not initiate for that. And even Pandavas did not ask for a kingdom, they just asked for 5 villages out of the big kingdom, which is very far enough. Irrespective of knowing this, everyone were not taking stand for Pandavas, but they were taking stand for Kauravas. So the war has supposed to happen, and when the adharma is there, it is Kshatriya dharma to fight with anyone. Done? Any other queries, friends, or can we wind up?
The way I understood was they were not fighting against their father or grandfathers. They were fighting against the opponent, right?
Exactly.
That's what you have said.
Exactly. How to make interest on... Yeah, please, sir.
Please do not take the queries in between your talk because it interrupts the flow.
Yeah,
we can extract more out of you so that the questions what you are taking in between, it interrupts the flow.
Sure.
And I understand that we can take more of the knowledge what you have.
Sure.
So, any of you are taking the queries at the end of the session, that will be more useful.
Definitely. So, but one thing is I respect you also. When any one of you ask me query in between, I can't stop you directly. So kindly I request you all, ask me queries once we are going to end it. Then last 30 minutes is for queries.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be possible every time because we will just lose the sense of what you're talking if we reserve those queries, and you'll be simply going back to the same point that you've made. If the query is addressed exactly when you are in the middle of that explanation, everybody can make that note, and we may have not even thought of it. So I don't think it's practically possible to reserve every single question and just stay
when
in
we
the
are
flow.
working out on goal setting or such kind of practical things, doubts you can ask then and there, and we will see one thing doubts will not be dragged. If at all it's just a simple query understanding some concept, we will resolve it there. If at all it is a lengthy discussion, we will do at the end of the session. Done?
Absolutely. Yeah, I think I agree with Pinky ma'am, because sometimes what will happen is if you have a question, right, you might end up in not following the rest of the topic, right? So you should be judgmental about asking any such question. So if it is really absolute, I think we should feel free to ask and get it resolved then and there. And yeah, if it is dragging, I think we can postpone it back to towards the end of the questions and answers sessions.
Yeah,
But
sure.
yeah, understood your intention.
Thank you all so much. And I request you next time, sharp 11, I'll begin the session. Even 5 minutes, I'll not wait. So I request you all to be joining the meeting before 5 minutes itself. Okay, and when people are keep on joining, it is taking time for me to keep on admitting them, so I'm getting distracted also. So kindly cooperate and support and join the session 5 minutes before. Thank you all so much for respecting my position, my seat, and apart from this seat, I'm casual and one among you all. Thank you all, and see you next Sunday.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
very much.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. It was a great session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am.